Hey everyone, it's Dr. DeCubellis. Let's talk about running surfaces and which ones are the best. But when we talk about running surfaces, there really is going to be a difference, and you want to be careful making sure when you're running outside. We don't want to have any injuries. That's what we want to avoid, right? So the absolute worst running surface is going to be concrete. Now the reason that is bad is it does not have as much give. It creates more pressure and pounding over all of your joints, especially your ankles, knees, and hips, which means you are going to cause abnormal pressure and potential injury and can bring on things like osteoarthritis and degenerative conditions. So you want to avoid running on sidewalks. Now on the other hand, the absolute best place to run is going to be if you can find one of those tracks. Whether it be like a high school, middle school, an area where they have health fitness center that has one of those tracks. They're going to be nice because not only are they going to be actually nice and flat and even, but they're going to be a little spongy too and have a little bit more rebound. So they're going to protect your joints. So that's the absolute best. We talked about the worst. Now the one that's kind of in between is going to be running on grass or just outdoors. Here's the reason I say that. In theory, it would be really nice because there is a little bit of give to it. However, it's going to be very uneven. So you just have to make sure you really know what you're running on, know the trail, know the track, because you don't want to be concentrating on running and then step into a hole, trip over a root or something like that. Now you fall and got scrapes everywhere. So really having it even is just as important as having it not be super hard. So I hope that helps. Those are different running surfaces. Make sure you're safe out there.